Hope you are well. Today's video I'm going to show you that how you can blur a video portion in Camtasia. So before I start, I want to say if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe my channel because I always uploaded technology related video. So let's start. So here is the Camtasia. I just open. Now you have to import media, I mean your video, which one you want to add a blur point on this video. So I'm going to here, there's searching a video. So here is that one, or here is one. I'm going to open it. Oh, here is media bin available. Now I have to put this video on this section. So here is showing the video. If I want to play them, then press space bar from your keyboard. Now I'm pressing. Okay, now it's playing. So here is the video. Now you want to blur this option portion in this video. So what you have to do, what you will do. So you don't wanna see this portion. So now at first you have to go to from annotation section on the software. From here you have to go through this option, use blur, pixelate, highlight, or clickable hotspot, etc. Now click on this option. Here is the name of blur and highlighted. Now from here you can drag this option from here. So which one you don't want to see, look as the video is beginning from here. Now you have to just drag and drop that showing. You can add lots of portion. Now I am going to on this. So play, look, here is showing. So now I have to cut this one from here. Just click on this option. Now click on it. Okay, it is split. Now I'm removing, or you can add it new one. So you can reuse this because already you declare here. Already declare here. Now you have to delete this one and you have to put this one again. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to okay, let's play again. So here, look at this. Here there is camera moving, that's why it's quite hard to adjust this section. Now you can this one, if possible you can make it larger so that okay, I don't need from this option. Now I'm going to delete again and retake again. So let's play again. Look. Okay, now I have to adjust this from here. That will be okay. Now I'm going to look. It's quite bigger. Like this you can, now I have to cut this again, delete this, take this again. Let's check it out. Missing or not, if camera moving, then it's quite hard to place this polar section. Okay, now you can make like this. Here I have to cut it again, delete this, retake it again, I have to set this option here. Okay, now now press again on spacebar. There is some disturbing area. Wait a moment, just make it bigger so that it will be hide. You can make it larger from this timeline. It's quite easy. If you make it larger, then your work will be easy. Now I'm pressing spacebar. Little bit here. Okay. So look at this again. There is nothing to show. Okay, now you want to remove. You can make it larger or smaller like this. So hope you understand that how to blur a video in Camtasia. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.